Hey, what's up? Welcome to Degen Ed. That's degenerative education, meaning none of this is financial advice. Just me having fun looking at charts, like the chart behind me, which is of ChargePoint, ticker symbol CHPT. And so I just wanted to do a follow-up on this ticker following my last couple of videos that basically, as I had suggested, it would go up to $3 and pull back prior to close today, Friday, December 15th, and that's exactly what we saw. So I can't remember the exact date that I made the video calling for ChargePoint to go up to $3 or $3.03, filling this gap that was formed here between November 16th and November 17th. And so that's exactly what we saw today with a high of $3.13 on the day, however, closing at $2.72, which interestingly is right around the 50-day moving average, which is $2.72.1. Also closing around this level that I have marked in green, let's see, corresponding with some of this sideways consolidation here that I thought would be support, and that's what it has served this week with the close Friday at $2.72. However, there is one thing to be concerned with, I guess, is that there was a gap formed between December 13th and 14th, which I went over in the last video, and so that would be coming down to a price of $2.42. And so, what do I see as happening with the stock in the week ahead? So let's see, if we look over at Chrome, we can see here I have the Max Pain website pulled up, and so ChargePoint's Max Pain for today, December 15th, was $2.50. So like I suggested, I thought that there might be a run up to $3, but then a pullback to around $2.50, largely because of Max Pain being at that price. But then if we look at the weeks ahead, as far as Max Pain goes, we see $2.50 again for next Friday, December 22nd, and then $2.50 again for December 29th. But then if we look at the next Max Pain for the start of next year, January 5th, that is $2. So I think that is something to be thinking about, that, let's see, price could be coming down, returning to this white line that I have drawn here. However, because we did close above $2.50 today, so that is really, not much higher than $2.50, but since we did close higher than that on Friday, that is suggesting that, bulls are in favor of this price moving higher, because we did close above that Max Pain today. But, what I do expect to see next week is a pullback to at least $2.42. I think it would be good to have that gap behind us. We don't want that to be hanging around for a while, especially because there is a gap going up to $4.71. So if I scroll over here, there was this like a micro gap between December 2nd, which had a low of $4.71, and October 2nd and October 3rd, which had a high of $4.70. So there's a 1 penny gap there that needs to be filled. And so there's also this other gap, much larger. Filling that would be going up to $7.04 a share. But, before we get ahead of ourselves, there is, these movement to, $4.71 would be filling that gap, that 1 penny gap. So I think that's something to look forward to. But for me, myself, what am I doing? I believe my average price is right around $2.70. And so what I plan on doing next week is I'll be selling some covered calls, weekly covered calls, ranging from strikes of $3 all the way up to $4, maybe higher than that. But I will also probably be trimming my position with the expectation that it will be coming down to $2.42. And so, I'm hoping to offload some shares at either break even or slightly above, and then, reestablish those positions down at $2.42, expecting it to go back up to $3 and kind of continue the cycle of selling covered calls on a weekly basis to make a little bit of money there. Those are my thoughts. If you found them helpful, make sure you like this video, share your thoughts in the comments below, and subscribe to the channel for more videos like this. Thanks a lot for watching.